Hi everyone, KIK here with another video. I've got a key in knob core that was sent to me by Mario some time ago from uklocksport.co.uk. Now I find these things quite difficult to hold, pick in the hand, so I did a bit of research and found on the internet a key and knob holder that Jimmy Long's, a locksport enthusiast in the United States, has created. I think he prints out quite a lot of these for doing picking demonstrations when things like DEF CON and the like. So I downloaded this from Thingiverse and then sent it to a 3D print hub near me and see what I got back. Now, Jimmy's design is a bit smaller, so that the core actually fits in and pushes in like that and is held. This is actually a bit looser, which is fine if I want to single pin pick things, but if I want to rake things, it becomes quite funny because you're trying to hold the turning tool with one hand, raking it, and the lock is just doing this. So what I've done is added a rubber band to it. So if I put a couple of loops of a rubber band over it, that holds it. Now ideally what I should be using is something like a Ranger band. And for those people who don't know what a Ranger band is, you take a tyre, rub it in the tube from a bike cycle, and then you just slice it up and you get really tough small rubber bands that are really, really thick and strong. But this will do for now. You see, there it is. Have a go with it using Sparrow's turning tool, and then I'm using quite a deep hook from Sparrow's 4-axe range. So I'm going to go all the way into the back of the lock and off we go. Not too much in the way of tension. No idea what the bitting is on this because I didn't get a key with it. As you can see, got some movement on the core already. Pin 1 is definitely moving. For the size of the Bible, I'm guessing this is a 5-pinner. Oh. Okay. I get the feeling that some of these pins are actually quite large because I'm just rubbing over the top of them, not actually pressing them down. Okay. Well, I think so. Oh. Just reset something. For those people who don't know Thingiverse, it's a great resource for getting stuff 3D printed and downloaded, and you can find all sorts of things up there. Find quite a lot of things like design files for pinning trays, and other paraphernalia, plug followers, etc. So it's well worth checking out if you don't know it. Two, 3, 4. Yeah, definitely. Okay, I think I've overset something by the feel of things. So let's back off the tension and start again. So screw the pins a couple of times and make sure everything's sticking. I'll give it another go. If I actually didn't, I don't know if you heard that, as I scrubbed it, I actually managed to set one. So let's have another crack at it. All the way to the back. Okay. Okay, that's good. It's positive movement by the looks of things. So there's definitely a spool in here. I'm guessing at least one spool. I can find the one. See if I can press it. There we go, and it's open. That was quite fun. In fact, I might just open it up and see what's inside it. So let's do that. See, this is again a small lightweight pinning tray which I've had 3D printed up, although this plug remover is from the Sparrows range. Handy little gadget for taking these off because they've got this restraining bolt at the back. Restraining pin there. Put that in there. There's also a little spring up there which can zoom out if you're not careful. So, alright, let's... Oh, there we go. How not to gutter lock easily. Oops. Never mind. Right. Oh, springs everywhere. Not going well. Let's just back off the tension a bit. One spring, two springs, and now we've got clunk. Two spools. Two spools, another spring, standard pin, spool, and the last one. Standard. Interesting combination that. So, very interesting combination. Spools at the front, standard pins to the rear. Let's see what the key pins look like. Quite a short key pin. Very stuck middle key pin. Oh, very long key pin. Short key pin, long key pin, and so there we go. That's very interesting. So we've got 1, 2, 3 spools and 2 standards. Obviously there's still a spring left in. Different springs. There's at least two different makes of spring in there. Actually 3 probably. 1, 2, 3. So I reckon someone's had this apart at some time and repinned it or done something to it anyway. But thanks very much for watching and goodbye.